Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today. In this video, I am going to explain about text tool. So how we can use text in Macromedia Flash Professional 8. So by default, it's selected in the selection tool. So now I am just choosing the text tool. So we can type any text in this stage by using the text tool. So we can move the text here and we can change the color. So and you can increase the size also, and we can change the font style. So this all is done by the properties, or we can use the text menu. So here also we can change the font and we can change the size. We can change the size and we can change the style, bold, italic. So we can use the subscript or superscript also. So and the alignment. This all is available properties here. So we can use the alignment. So this is the static text. So if I run the static text means, so here I can't edit here. I can't edit, I can only see the text alone. So if I want to edit means I have to change. So see, this is static text. So if I want to change the text in running window means we have to change in the input text. So if you change the input text means you can edit the text during the running window. So in the properties, I'm going to change the input text. Or else we can modify this as an input text. So see, the dotted box, it shows like it's converted to the input text. So let's see. So here we can edit. So we can type the text here. So the only thing is we have to extend the boundary. So just again extend the boundary. So we can text any number of letters. So we can increase the boundary and we can type any number of text. So this is the difference between static text and the input text. And this is the single line or multi-line, or we can say it as a password. So if you want to give the password means we can change the input text and then we can select the password. See, whatever you type, you can't see in the running window because this is selected as a password. So we can select a single line or multi-line, and multi-line with no wrapping. So we can use these four also. So you can increase the size here. So that's it. So in the text tool, we can use the text menu, or else we can use the properties. So another one is we can increase the letter spacing, or we can decrease the letter spacing. So the shortcut key is to increase Control Alt right, to decrease Control Alt left. So let's see. So select Control Alt left, Control Alt right. I hope you will see the difference. So we can increase the letter spacing, or we can decrease the letter spacing. So that's it. I hope I finished all those things. So through the text, we can change the font, size, style, alignment, and letter spacing. And here we can change the text as a static text or dynamic, or else we can use the input text. So if we use the input text means I can change that as a password, or a single line, or single or multi-line with no wrapping. So that's it.